Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to upload photos and videos to Dropbox using the latest app update. Whether you want to back up your memories, share files with friends, or just keep your media safe in the cloud, this guide will make it quick and easy. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone or tablet. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from your app store. Once the app is open and you're signed in, look for the familiar plus sign. It's usually at the bottom center of the screen. Tap that little plus button to start adding your photos or videos. After tapping the plus sign, you'll see a list of options. Find and select Upload Photos or Videos. This takes you to your device's gallery, where you can scroll through your albums and pick what you want to upload. You can choose a single photo, multiple pictures, or even videos. Just tap on whatever catches your eye. Once you've made your selection, look for the Upload button, which is often labeled simply as Upload. Tap it, and Dropbox will get to work backing up your files. You'll usually see a progress indicator showing you that your photos and videos are on their way into the cloud. The great thing about Dropbox is that it keeps everything organized and easy to access from any device. After your upload is complete, your photos and videos will be safely stored in your Dropbox account. You can view them, share them, or download them anytime you want. That's really all there is to it. In just 3 simple steps, you've uploaded your media into Dropbox, making sure your memories stay secure and accessible no matter where you are. Thanks for watching. For